There's a reason Harley-Davidson has survived for more than 100 years. Behind the chrome, the thunder, and the freedom, there are secrets only true riders ever find out. Today, we're going through 25 Harley-Davidson secrets you're not supposed to know, from hidden factory features to untold stories buried deep in Harley history. Buckle up, hit that like button, and let's dive into the hidden world of Harley-Davidson. Secret 1. Hidden Diagnostic Mode. Your Harley has a built-in diagnostic mode that most riders never use. Hold both trip buttons before turning the ignition key, and your bike will show you every stored error code right on the dash. No tools, no dealer visit, just pure factory knowledge. Secret 2. Paint codes under the seat. If you ever need to repaint your Harley perfectly, check under the seat. Many models hide a sticker with the exact factory paint code, so you can match that color down to the last flake. Secret 3. VIN number. Decoder. Every Harley VIN number tells a story. It reveals where the bike was built, the engine type, even the model year. Harley's VIN structure has stayed consistent since the 1980s, and that's how collectors verify authenticity. Secret 4. The real oil check trick. Checking your oil right after you stop the engine. That gives a false reading. Wait at least 10 minutes. Once the oil settles, you'll see the true level Harley intended. Secret 5. Fuel reserve calibration. Your low fuel light doesn't always mean you have exactly 1 gallon left. You can recalibrate it after replacing the tank or the sending unit. It's hidden inside the digital technician mode. Secret 6. Factory ECU mapping differences. 2 identical Harleys can run completely different. Why? Because Harley tunes their ECUs based on region, altitude, temperature, and emission laws. That's why a bike from Florida might feel smoother than one from Colorado. Secret 7. Key fob backup code. If your key fob dies, don't freak out. You can still start your Harley by entering your personal PIN using the turn signal buttons. It's your secret backup ignition code, and most owners never set it up. Secret 8. Hidden grease nipples. Older Harleys have grease points that many riders forget. They're tucked under tiny dust caps, especially around the swing arm. Miss them, and you'll wear out those bearings twice as fast. Secret 9. Hidden Bluetooth mode. On some touring models, you can unlock a hidden Bluetooth pairing mode. Just hold the mode button for 5 seconds and suddenly your bike becomes discoverable, even if the manual never mentions it. Secret 10. Battery tender port. There's a small connector under your seat that most riders ignore. It's a direct plug for a battery tender, made to keep your battery alive all winter without removing it from the bike. Secret 11. The clutch cable. I want a lighter clutch without spending a dime. Reroute your clutch cable under the frame instead of over it. That small change reduces friction, making the pull feel 20% lighter. Secret 12. Heat shield rattle fix. If your exhaust heat shield buzzes or rattles, here's the fix. Apply a thin bead of high-temp silicone between the clamps. It kills the vibration instantly, and it's invisible once it cures. Secret 13. Anti-vibration washer trick add. A thin rubber washer between your foot peg mount and the frame. It absorbs those annoying high-frequency vibrations that travel up your legs on long rides. Secret 14. Save on OEM parts. A lot of Harley parts come from outside suppliers. Showa, Brembo, Delphi. Buy those same components directly from the source, and you'll pay half what Harley charges. Same part, different box. Secret 15. Cable tape trick. Use soft cloth tape anywhere your cables touch the tank. It prevents rubbing, scratching, and gives your Harley that clean, pro-custom finish. Secret 16. Accessory port hidden under the seat. Under most Harley seats, there's an unused accessory port. You can plug in a GPS, phone charger, or tracker without cutting or splicing a single wire. Secret 17. Brake lever mod. Add a 1mm shim washer between your lever and perch. That tiny change eliminates slack and gives a tighter, more responsive brake feel. Secret 18. Hidden GPS tracker spot. Need to hide a tracker without drilling holes? Slide it behind the side cover near the fuse box. It's invisible, but still gets perfect signal. Secret 19. The Harley Sound patent. In 1994, Harley-Davidson actually tried to patent the sound of their V-twin engine. The case was dropped, but that deep rumble became the most recognizable sound in motorcycling. Secret 20. The Secret Eagle Editions Harley released a few secret Eagle Editions that never appeared in any catalog. Built in limited numbers for insiders and select dealers, they've become holy grails for collectors. Secret 21. The Bar and Shield Origin Harley's Bar and Shield logo was patented back in 1911, but few people know it was inspired by military insignias from World War I, a symbol of pride and strength. Secret 22. The orange and black colors. The famous orange and black color combo isn't random. It came from Harley's early racing livery, chosen for visibility and aggression on the dirt tracks of the 1910s. Secret 23. The oldest Harley. Still running. A 1903. Harley still runs, to this day. It's owned by the company and fired up occasionally for museum events. A living piece of American history. Secret 24, the secret sound test room. Every Harley engine is tested in a soundproof chamber before it ever leaves the factory. Engineers listen for rhythm, tone, and resonance. It's not just mechanics, it's music. Secret 25, the weirdest accessory ever back in the 1980s. Harley actually sold an official beer holder that bolted to your crash bar. It didn't last long, for obvious reasons, but yes, it was real. And it's now a collector's item. So now, you know 25 Harley-Davidson secrets that most riders never hear about. Which one surprised you the most? Drop it in the comments below, and if you learned something new today, hit that like button, subscribe, and join the ride. This is Roadside Harley, where real bikers learn the real stories behind the machines. See you on the next ride.